Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about scientists are puzzled to find an Iron Age man's brain self-preserved for 2,600 years, but failed to explain why. They found this skull back in 2008, right? This was published on January 9th, 2020. The site is ibtimes.sg if you guys want to, read, the article yourself. But it basically talks about the development of field of science and technology, enables us to preserve human organs easier for a longer period of time. But the ancient period obviously lacked this know-how, but by coincidence, certain parts of human organs remained intact for years. Now, the researchers have stumbled upon this 26-year-old human brain, which belongs to the Ice Age. It says around the time when early humans were making steel and hunting, with their weapons, a real-life God character, Ned Stark, was beheaded in the Iron Age. But his skull, along with the brain, was buried in clay mud and remained there until York archaeologists, trust researchers, found it, like I said, back in 2008. This is a picture right here of them testing and, finding the brain. And it says the researchers found the well-preserved skull in Helsington, which is a suburban part of, York, England. After finding this skull, they noticed a chunk of the brain. Even though the brain was already thousands of years old, researchers found it intact, very remarkable in its situation. Now known as the Helstinken? I don't know, brain. The brain tissue had shrunk slightly over the years, but still, researchers were able to find out the unusual brain grooves and folds, okay? This is a picture of the brain. I've already showed you this before you guys hear my voice. So hopefully you guys got a good look of the brain and what's up under this. You should already have seen this as well. So it says that the well-preserved brain, as its experts, this brain is not only considered the oldest preserved brain ever found in Eurasia, but also the best preserved ancient brain of all time. So they're basically saying this is the best thing that they've ever seen of all time. Researchers revealed in the study, which was published in the Royal Society Interface, that the brain belonged to an Iron Age man, but survived all these years. It should be noted that after a person dies, a process called autolysis, y'all, my bad, I hope it's right, okay, causes all the organs to break down. In the term of the brain, it includes 80% of the water, and this particular part of the human body is one of the organs to go first. In usual cases, within 10 years, the brain tissue completely breaks down, but this did not happen with the Iron Age human brain. What researchers found in the ancient brain? Further analysis, this thing just jumped, sorry guys, of the Helsington brain revealed that it was protein clumping which made the brain endure. It means that without any artificial help, the brain actually preserved itself. I'm just saying the brain is the power, the brain is the muscle, the brain is stronger than what people think. The brain can elevate us to a higher level. The brain functions and vibrates on a higher level. The brain, I believe, is the key to unlocking bondage on this planet. Discovered certain proteins which help the structures of the nerve brain. Cells like neurons were found clusters in the brain tissue. It says that the protein rush helped. So with so much protein, which probably they ate way probably better than what we're eating, because most of our food allegedly is fake and killing us slowly, allegedly. Like our contrails aren't chemtrails, allegedly. Let's just go from there. I'm sorry, guys. This thing jumped. Let's see. Further, blah, blah, blah. So it says because of the clustering of the protein, it helped rush the brain to keep stable over thousands of years and helped to slow down the decomposition procedure. So while conducting this research, the experts also came to know that the natural protein of this brain were more stable than modern day brains. Because they wasn't getting fed chemicals and junk and things to break down human body, allegedly. Okay. However, the researchers are not sure what caused the critical clumping process, but they are speculating that it could be something to do with the burial process of the skulls. All right, so this is basically all it was talking about. I just thought this was pretty cool. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys want to go look at this, you got the source, you got the site. And like I always say, guys, do not obey. Stay woke.